All right, guys, it's time to test the V3 CMPM / PolyMod. So working on this combo. I know we did a video on it a while back, but we definitely have the combo set up and we are ready to do the production units and get them added to the site. So this car has the tipped level 10 motor mags. It also has the V3 Pro 10 traction mags. Has 36 gauge arm, and this one that I'm testing right now happens to have a brand new body style on it. So this is a new body style. From that angle, it probably looks kind of like it's version 1, but it's definitely different. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. So I'm gonna do some testing on it. 18 volts. We'll see what we got. Let's make sure everything. I actually think that the brake pot on this controller doesn't work. Never mind. It probably does work. I had the controller setting in the middle, which is brakes off. Listen, brakes on. Now we got brakes. So that is one thing with the tip motor mags, is you definitely need to run more brake because the car just rolls so much better. So thing is, a ripper. Try not to push it too hard. And one thing to keep in mind too, this setup is set up, it's a general setup. So this being a routed track with much more consistent and lower rail height than what a typical snap track's gonna have. It is a little bit tall for this, but I can cruise and run really quick lap times without hustling the car. But with the right tires on here, this thing on this particular track would probably be about a half a second faster. Whoops. But just taking a look at it, there's some guys on now. Looks like a piece of hair or dirt from the track, gross. But V3 setup in PolyMod form. So definitely can run the V3s lower generally than you can the V1. So that's something to keep in mind, and that's one of the things on this setup here. So this is a much lower setup than the V1. So I ran a bunch of 2.5s right there. Let's see if we can view data, lap times. Okay, so queso, what? Let's see here. We got 33 laps. Why is it not showing me all my laps? What's going on here, bro? Bear with me, guys. I'm trying to show all of our laps here, which it only is going up to 23, so that's kind of lame. Summary, yeah, we already know that info. Let's look at laps this way. Yeah, so it won't give me my laps, but I was watching the screen there. My fastest lap was 2:51.5, and we were running like 2:52, 2:53, then that 2:51 popped up. So really good. Definitely could go quite a bit lower, like I said. Let's move you guys down to this end so that you can get a different perspective of the car. And we got Old Glory up back there, and the director's chair sitting over there. So no directors out here today, but we will see if we can run some good consistent laps, and then we'll see if we can show you those lap times. Oops. So I just don't have the reaction to on that short straight right there. And every time, that's usually where I look at the lap timer, and
yellow flag.
It just gets me. I'm getting old, guys. I need to go up a couple. If I was racing this car, I would probably go to like a 25 tooth on this track, but oh shoot, I reset it. Oh well. So that was another 252. I mean, you guys could probably watch me do that same thing over and over and over and over. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that one, and look forward to getting the V3 PolyMod released. Hopefully you guys have a great day, and we will see ya.